are you?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Let go.
What are you gonna do?
Well, what is the plan?
I'm gonna try to the door. I am.
Okay. Tie it to the door. The process. Did you tie it?
Yeah.
So this is Naomi's first tooth that's trying to fall out. Give us a good smile to the camera. The slobber drips down the thread. Is it tied? Okay.
No, we gotta be out.
No. Right here, right here.
In the shower?
Yeah. Now what we're gonna do is shorten this thread. Stand by the door again. Right there. It is a really long thread, so what we're going to do is just tie it to shorten it just a teeny bit. Don't shut it yet, we're not ready. Don't come in here.
What are you doing? We're gonna take out my tooth of slamming the door.
We're going to take out our tooth of slamming the door. Okay.
Ready?
Not yet, not yet. Okay,
Ready?
you stand here.
I want to go in.
You can come in. Just be careful. Okay. Hold still. Hang on, hang on.
Careful.
Okay.
I'm going to.
Do it real fast. 1, 2, 3, fast. But you have, the trick is only that you have to hold still. Only the door moves. Okay? Okay. You can come in.
Careful, careful.
We're not going to read a book. Come here.
We're gonna take out
busy.
Naomi's tooth.
Okay, no, you can't slam it when you're toward the door. You have to slam it real fast when you're away from the door. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Throw it shut. Let go. Okay, but you gotta let go. And no, that won't work. Okay, try it again. Bring it open. You're too nervous. Come here. Don't be nervous.
I
Come
can't.
here.
I'm nervous
Come
too.
here.
Now go really
Okay.
far away. Really far away.
Okay, there you go. You stand right here.
Naomi?
Okay, no, not you. Come away.
Okay.
No, you come right by Mama. And put your hands away. Move your hands so you can be seen in the movie. You're going to watch this movie after, right? Do you want to watch the movie after? Do you want to watch the movie after? Say, yes, Mama, I want to watch that movie. Move, Esther.
I wanna watch that movie. It's out!
Okay. Show the camera your tooth.
Show
Show the camera your tooth.
Show your
Show the tooth to the camera.
And now
No,
your
show your
tooth.
tooth.
Show your
Move,
tooth
Esther.
to the camera.
There you go. Show the tooth dangling from the string. Let's go.
Closer,
Our
closer.
first tooth extraction.
I can't see it.
You can't?
Can I see?
We'll have to take a picture of it.
It's out. This will be my first tooth.
Okay, let's see.
This is my first tooth.
And let's see your tooth. Let's see your tooth.
And here's my tooth.
Ta-da! You were brave. Good job.